Activity 4.
Activity 4, talk about your favorite movie.
Andrew's favorite movie. There are so many great movies that I like. I enjoyed watching those movies. But there are some movies that stood above the rest. Maybe because I can relate to those movies. 500 Days of Summer is the most memorable one. It's about a man and a woman who had intimate moments, but they don't have a relationship. For no apparent reason, the girl suddenly decided to stop their intimate relationship. The girl is going to marry her real boyfriend. So the man got confused because he didn't know the reason. The girl didn't explain it to him. The boy realized that she fell in love with the girl, and she's having a hard time moving on. This really stuck me to my core, because this is exactly what happened to me. I love this kind of movies because it can happen in real life. By watching these kinds of movies, I can relieve all those positive and negative feelings.
All right, very good. So we're still having issues with the word the, but we'll go through that later. Oh wait, sorry. We'll go through that later on session two. So please continue to your favorite song.
About my favorite song, I always love the songs of Jesse McCartney. But there's a song that stood above the rest. This song is special for me. When me and my then girlfriend broke up, this song helped me to realize things. The title of the song is It's Over. When I hear this song, I realized that I have to move on. When I realized that I started to move on, the healing began. I have to accept the bitter truth that we will not be together. There's so many songs I like, but there is no song that impacted me the way this song did. It feels like I've been freed from having hope of possible reconciliation. I still like this song even now, but with less pain.
Okay. Um, I'd connect this last sentence to the previous sentence. Like all. That's all there is. Yeah, there's a couple of capitalization issues here. Um, when you write a title of a song, you just add quotes. You don't need to capitalize all the letters, right?
Okay.
When I heard this song, I would move this here, and then I would add B to realized.
Yeah, past tense na.
So this is a better way to compose the sentence.
I thought if we have to shorten the
Yeah, you
sentence.
have to shorten the sentence, but um, ito kasi yung when I heard this song, ganito, I realized that I had to move on. Um, Pwedeng my attitude changed. Ito kasi, ano siya, what do you call that? Yung when I heard this song, wala siyang subject and verb.
Okay.
So parang incomplete sentence siya. It's just a clause. So dapat kompleto. My attitude changed when I heard the song. When I realized that, I started to move on. The healing began. I had to accept the bare truth. Um, there's so many songs that I like, but there is no song that pwede mong tanggalin tong but. The meaning will not change. There is no song that impacted me the way this song did. It feels like I've been freed from having hope of possible reconciliation. I still like this song even now, but with less pain. Okay?